Do you want burritos? But you want burritos in the air fryer? Did you know you could do those? And they're very simple to make. Well, I should say, they're very simple to warm up because they're already pre-done. But let me show you how. So once you've acquired your burritos, we gotta take them to the air fryer. But we need to preheat our air fryer for 380 degrees for 12 minutes. Once our air fryer is preheated, we have acquired our burritos. We will put them seam side down. It says do 1 to 2 burritos. I like to do 3, but then we will put this in and it will cook for 6 minutes. At the 6-minute mark, we will take out our burritos here and flip them over. Like so. I tend to grab a spatula because sometimes still A, stick, and B, be a pain. And then put it back in for 6 more minutes to finish. After 12 minutes, we take them out, put them on our plate. Like so. We'll wait till you hear the crunch on these. Okay.
Nice, crispy, and looks really, really yummy.
Do you have a favorite condiment that goes on your burritos? If this helped, if you could leave a comment, like, and subscribe, it does help a lot. I hope you have a great night and wonderful eating.